new jelly, yeah.
Oh,
Magic,
Madhouse.
whatever you want. No.
But, Daddy, TJ's parents let him use magic all the time to do whatever. It's not fair.
Well, TJ Taylor's parents aren't your parents. My house, my rules. Get your own house, you can make your own rules.
Fine.
And that's fine.
Hi,
You need
Becky.
permission to conjure up your own house.
Hi, Becky.
Dad, do Marsha's for tinfoil or do characters equipment?
And you want me to add freewheeling magic to this chaos?
Hey, you guys, we're 5 minutes away from pro wrestling. Oh, gosh,
No.
I've turned into my mother.
Honey, Alex ran into another wizard at school, and now she's talking all kinds of nonsense like, oh, I want to do magic whenever I feel like.
I don't talk like that.
I'll use
There's
magic
another
whenever I
wizard
feel
family,
like it.
because, you know, I would love to meet the parents and compare notes.
When you guys come over tonight, I want to make sure your parents convince my parents that everyday magic is okay, rather than the other way around.
Oh, you don't have to
Come
worry
on.
about that. Oh, you don't know our dad. He'll throw a tantrum, and you'll know because it sounds like this. What the kid, Alex! Who cares? A couple years ago, I got into trouble for using magic. My parents tried to send me off to military school, so I put a charm on them, so no matter what I do, they go along with it. I mean, they're not even like parents, they're more like my little robots.
Yep.
You charmed your parents.
Doesn't count here.
You're kind of scaring me a little, but I'm feeling a lot of respect.
Okay, so it is set. I will clear my parents' schedule, and we can all come over for dinner tonight.
Great.
There.